For the public, allow me to also remind you that the ALLATRA scientific team is currently engaged not only in addressing geodynamic and climate-related threats, including the problem of the Siberian magma plume, but is also dedicating focused attention to a second critical and deadly threat, nanoplastics. We are conducting deep, comprehensive research into their properties and actively working to identify effective methods for neutralizing their destructive impact on the biosphere and human health. While the plume is a threat to the future, nanoplastic is a threat to the present, one that has already infiltrated the entire biosphere and all of humanity, including each of you. It is a true pandemic, the full scale of which remains largely unknown and which, for now, is still absent from major international platforms, despite the fact that nanoplastic has already become the #1 killer. Nanoplastic penetrates everywhere, into brain cells, neurons, blood, organs, the placenta, and even embryos. It is already inside children still in the womb. These are facts documented in dozens of scientific studies, many of which emerge in part thanks to the momentum created by our research and warnings. Just look at these images. They show the brain of a bee, with illuminated areas highlighting the presence of nanoplastic. It is killing the bee from within, inducing a form of dementia, causing it to forget where its hive is, what its role is, and where or why it was even flying. Now tell me, have you noticed similar symptoms in yourself? Forgetting why you walked into a room, mixing up words, struggling to recall someone's name, sudden unexplained headaches. These may seem like minor lapses, but the increasing frequency of such symptoms is a warning sign. Nanoplastic in your brain tissue is already impairing your cognitive abilities. And by the way, in your brain, it looks exactly like it does in the bee's brain in that image, bringing with it the same destructive consequences. Are you surprised by the sharp rise in reproductive disorders among humans? By the increase in fetal mutations? The root cause behind all of this is the same. The reproductive function of Homo sapiens is rapidly degrading, driven directly by the influence of nanoplastics. Children born today face a high likelihood of being unable to have offspring in the future. And even if they can, the health of that next generation will be seriously jeopardized.